Adam, you have to stay alive.
Why is that? Moving into cover.
I think there's a few that just went straight across over there. Up past the chase.
Okay.
Straight ahead, Aaron. Straight ahead. Yeah, this is a good spot. We should have came here earlier. Oh. Sam, where's that riot shield? They're up this way. They're coming around. Watch out over here. They're all over here. It's like a freaking firing squad. Kylie, does someone want to use this? Ford, you want to use this?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So, riot shield in here. Here, you want to use this?
There you go.
I found the riot shield.
Adam's out, so our medic's dead.
Oh man, I should have offered him the shield.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, here. Oh, I don't have it.
Dead anyway, so.
I don't have my rag on me.
What's that?
I had a rag with me to wipe
Oh.
the lenses. I forgot it.
Oh, that's fine.
Ooh. I saw BB land over there. I'm gonna scooch you over. Hit! 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 What a bully! I got a track with this.
I was just like, wow, that was.
This is probably this is the best Sam cam there is. If you,
They're all dead?
I think they're all dead. Where's their medic?
He was their medic.
Oh,
Seth. He was running back.
is this it?
Is that it?
Is that game? No, 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 no. Jared ran away.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because see, no, Jared's standing behind the tree.
Oh, he is?
Oh,
Oh,
see, I came up, he was right behind here, and I went like this, but I'm like, I kind of want to shoot him in the head with like. I didn't even realize he was behind there. I didn't either, but I didn't want to shoot him at that point blank. What? What? I got all of you out like twice.
I'm pretty sure I got all that on camera too.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Because me and Zach returning, all of a sudden,
Whole team hid behind one tree.
I know, because there was nowhere else to go. Look at all these walls. Yeah, 'cause you pushed us. I told them, like, why are we all
Your whole team hid behind one tree.
No.
It's just us arguing. Whoa!
It
My
was
face.
Audrey, remember that? It was